Hey guys, it's Dave from POV Drives, and today we're doing a fun one. So I finally learned how to drive manual transmission, and I did it in a Turo car. Now, before anyone freaks out on me, no, I did not destroy the clutch in this Turo car to learn manual. I took a lesson, I got really comfortable with the basics, and then I just spent time in the parking lot just shifting one to stop, one to stop, one to stop in this car, and I got pretty familiar with the clutch and kind of how to engage the clutch and the engine together. I'm still learning, still polishing everything, but I thought, hey, let's try it out more in the Miata. This is a Turo car, and I'm very excited to be driving it. I've had a ton of fun with it. This is a 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the Club Edition, which includes a limited slip differential, sport tuned Bilstein dampers, some strut bracing, and a lot of other cool bits outside, as well as the Brembo BBS Recaro package, which is a $4,500 option. And we'll talk more about that in the walk around quickly, because it is rainy. So we're in neutral, we're in parking brake. All right, let's go outside. This Miata is absolutely tiny. Even for my 5'10" stature, I still have a tough time getting in and out. But, oh, just look at this cute little thing. So it's painted in this kind of like sand, stone, brown. It's super sharp. It kind of looks like an off-road car, but I mean, look at these these BBS black wheels. They got the logo on there. They look super sharp, multi-spoke front and rear. We got the Brembo front brakes, part of that $4,500 option package. Got some black carriage parts, this spoiler in the rear that's black as well. But I'll do a full review on this video, because really this is all just about my process driving this car. So let's try to get inside without dying. Absolutely. Ow. You gotta like duck under every time to go to that door. But yeah, this video has mostly been about my process learning to drive this car and learning to drive manual. I've really gotten comfortable with it. I'm really excited to keep driving it. Just looking at this car, these seats are so cool. I don't fit in these seats though. I'm 5'10" and I'm struggling a little bit. But without further ado, let's take this for a drive, talk about... There we go. I don't have a clutch in. I love modern cars. But yeah, let's talk about my experience driving this Miata. Ow. I'm going to be doing that a lot to you guys, so I apologize. Still not quite comfortable in reverse. We're good. That one's good. All right, let's get out of here. My 1 and 2 shift is definitely my weakest point right now. I'm still getting used to an automatic where I'm just like not really thinking about what revs I need to be at. But I'm having a ton of fun with this car already. This does have a hill launch assist, so I definitely am being helped out in getting up the hill. Not quite the smoothest downshifts. But definitely really figuring it out, kind of what gear I need to be in and what, you know, feeling I should be getting from the car. Haven't money shifted, haven't downshifted to the wrong gear. Still learning on my 1 to 2 or 1, my 1 or stop to 1 and my 1 to 2 shifts. But really the thing that I am starting to get is kind of like you're bringing a moving and a still part together. So like when I'm here at a stop and, you know, I put the clutch in, go to first, let this car go past. When I put the clutch in and I go from first and stuff, like I'm kind of thinking about like, okay, when do I bite? And as soon as I bite, I just give it a little bit of gas, kind of let it roll forward. And then once you kind of think about this moving, kind of grabbing this and then slowly turning that enough, then you could just start letting off that clutch smoothly. And I kind of think about it. I kind of think about, we'll go around one more time. I kind of think about the engagement as slowly starting to get that momentum, and then that clutch zone kind of like, you know, I'm there and then I'm finishing up the last bit of it. You know, once I'm moving, then I slowly lift off. Slowly lift off, and then I'm moving, I'm in first, and then I start revving it out. I really got to work on my 1 to 2, but I actually did pretty good right there. And I went to a 5 right there, not bad. Definitely downshifted, not into the correct gear. I should have been going into 3 there, but didn't have a lack of power, just slowly, you know, kind of made that turn and stuff, but it's fine. Yeah, I'm still learning. I've only stalled a couple of times, only made the stumps, the turns a little bit, or the shifts a little bit jerky, from stop to 1. But I'm pretty proud of myself, and I'm having a blast in this thing. So let's keep going. And I do like going in neutral and coming to a stop. I think it's better for the clutch. Probably should have put my signal on there. Oh, that's nice. Enjoy some twisty roads in this Miata. Still in a rear-wheel drive car, so I do not want to die. This is definitely not a car I would necessarily own as my daily, but it's just a lot of fun. You kind of feel like you're just in a little toy. was fun. Nailed that downshift with the little throttle blip pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. This car is such an interesting little toy. It's not only fun to be driving a manual transmission, but to be driving a Miata. And just rowing through the gears, this lovely feeling. Almost money shifted there. As you saw, I looked down, so I'm still learning the gear positions. See if I can go into third. Holy Batman, I'm going like a nut. So overall, guys, I'm enjoying manual. It's very dangerous that I've learned to drive it now, because who knows what's gonna happen to the Audi S4. But yeah, this is a great car to learn on. It's been pretty forgiving. It's got a good amount of torque, 185 horsepower, just naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed manual. It feels good. The clutch pedal's pretty light. The gear shifting is not too crazy. These people are really testing my traffic ability. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Kind of just a very casual video. I am a little bit still focused on the manual driving, but hope everyone enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Am I an absolute idiot? Am I a jerk to this Turo guy? Again, I took a lesson from somebody else's car. Absolutely not destroyed, but beat up the clutch there. So I think I'm definitely taking care of this car. You know, it's not the smoothest, but modern clutches, smoothest treatment, but modern clutches can definitely handle this kind of punishment. So thanks for watching, guys. As usual, Dave from POV Drives. I'll see you on the next one.